so excited. I am unboxing my first ever Lush kitchen subscription box, and you guys, this has been such a fun experience so far. This October box is the very first like USA kitchen box, and I actually got to take part in like the launch of this, like for a live stream, like when they were announcing this service. It was so much fun. It was like a Halloween themed live stream, and we went over some of the products that might be in this box. Guys, I'm doing such a jumbled job of explaining this, but basically this month, since it's the first month, things are like a little bit different. There wasn't any official voting for the products that are in this box. This was just kind of something that maybe they took some feedback from the live stream and like some other sources like Instagram, things like that, where people were kind of like weighing in based on the products that they saw in the live stream. But normally, like every month after this month, you get to vote on the products that you want to see in the box. Like I've already done the voting for the box that's coming out in November. So they show you, I think like 5 different pictures, and you say like, yes, I'd love to see this, or no, I'm not as interested in this. Sometimes they bring products back that have like been gone for a really long time. Sometimes there's like special edition products in there that are just formulated and made for this box. So yeah, it's a whole thing. It's like a whole process, and I definitely plan on doing this every single month because you guys, I really miss like ye old subscription boxes. I felt like it was just kind of like a fun little thing to do once a month. I'm sure if you guys have been like on the internet for a while, it used to be an absolutely huge thing in the beauty community. There got to be a time when there was like so many subscription boxes, but now like I really miss it. I don't feel like there are as many of them as there used to be anymore. This one sounds like super interactive and fun. I love Lush. Anyway, this is a Halloween themed one. No more talking. Let's just do the unboxing. So this says ready, set, find, hex. Cauldrons, pumpkins, and ghostly chimes. Can you find hex in record time? We've searched near and far. Our sneaky little friend has gotten lost in the bazaar. Have you found hex yet? If so, congrats, you've got a keen eye. It's now time to conjure up a magical experience with these exclusive treats. Lift your spirits with a fabulous floral lather, or go bananas for a ghoulishly good shower bomb. If you're looking to settle into a bath, dust off the cobwebs while you fizz and froth in soothing waters, or reinvigorate in a skin-softening cauldron of citrus bubbles. Of course, it wouldn't be a perfect potion without some lotion. Wherever your journey starts, it's sure to be a wickedly good time. So normally I don't, oh my gosh. So this, I was like, who is Hex? I guess this little guy in the corner is Hex, and I'm assuming he's like hidden somewhere in this box. And normally I don't like read the little cards in the boxes, but hey, I wanted to see what it was like. And you guys, I recently restarted doing junk journaling again, so I'm so excited to be able to put this in my junk journal. It's so adorable. That's something I've always loved about Lush gifts and everything, is like the wrapping paper, because it's always so unique. Okay, so this, there's a piece of white, this is gonna show me what's in it. So I don't want to look at this, but I won't like throw it to the moon in case I would like some information about these products later. Oh, yes. Oh, this is so interesting. Okay, so this is something else that they said would be in the Lush kitchen boxes, which is like an exclusive item that is maybe not like a bath or shower item. And this is like, oh my gosh, it's like a blank journal. Yeah, they said it could be like a bag or a pen or a notebook, or like, who even knows, all the magical stuff that they may come up with in the future. But this is actually made out of 100% recycled materials. And it's like a little hardback Lush notebook. And this is so cute. Like, it says Lush in the corner. There are some lined pages. I think I saw some graph paper in here. and then just some blank pages. I actually feel like there's a lot of paper in here. Like this is like a journal that you might actually buy at a store or something, like very high quality for like just a little bonus giveaway item. And we also have a limited edition enamel pin badge. And this is super cute as well. That kind of reminds me of like ye old Loot Crate back in the day where there was like a loot pin in each crate. It was like different for every single month. Does Loot Crate still exist? But yeah, that could be like so fun too, where you could like collect the Lush pins. I'm not sure if that's gonna be in like every box, but it would be fun. I have to, oh, I have no memory. Okay, let me, I have no memory to make memory on this memory card. Let me delete some stuff and I'll be right back. And we're back. How many minutes do I have now? Can I film it in time? It's not showing me right now. Oh, 38 minutes. I can do it. All right, packing peanuts. Oh my God, wait, you guys, I forgot. I'm literally about to film a TikTok in here, so maybe I don't want to just, you know, the whole room. All right, so what I think I'm gonna do is unpack everything first, show it to you guys, and then go through the checklist. So some of these products I definitely do remember. I wonder if any of them are gonna be like a wild card that I have not seen before. But yes, look, Cobweb Bath Bomb smells delightful. We also have, wait, this is like a surprise, you guys. This was not even one of the options from the live stream. So he looks like a Venus flytrap. I cannot think of Little Shop of Horrors. What is the creature's name in that show? Musical? What is it? A musical? This, I think it's gonna be a bubble bar. All right, up next. You guys, all of these are like total surprise products that were not in the live stream. They must have gone back to the drawing board and come up with all new items. So this is a little ghost. These are so cute. I'm so surprised. This label is so adorable. Potion lotion. Look at that. I love the label. See, this is the magic of the Lush kitchen experience. They always have these well, I say always, this is like the first box. But just based on the other like non-subscription box that I bought from Lush months ago, it also, like the products in there had these labels that said Lush Kitchen Exclusive. So I'm assuming that it's gonna be like that. And also the samples that I got for the live stream, they also had labels on there that said Lush Kitchen Exclusive, but I don't remember the cute little label like that. So that's so cute. Okay, let's see. Ooh, there's like a huge product in here. Okay, this I definitely do remember. This is the last product in the box, and this is large. I feel like this is like a large shower gel. They have one size. They have a size larger than this, but I feel like Potion Lotion and the Ghost shower gel were both in like the products that I saw from the live stream. So yeah, but two of them plus like the bonus items, these are definitely surprises to even me. But you guys, I did not find Hex. Oh my gosh, what if he's like printed in one of these pages? Oh my God, you guys. Okay, I hope y'all are gonna be able to see this. Like it says Lush on the, I'm just showing you guys a black piece of paper.
Here's Johnny.
It says Lush in this like drippy stuff on the corner of each thing. But look, it's like, how can I show you guys this? It's like a flip book. Can you guys see that? There's no way you're gonna be able to see that. But the slime looks like it's dripping as you flip through the pages super fast. But yeah, I'm looking for Hex everywhere. Where is he? I wonder if there's gonna be like a mission each and every time. Find Hex. You guys. Okay, I'm like looking on the labels. I don't see him. Okay, let's see. Are there any clues here? So, this is the bath bomb, the Cobweb. So you're supposed to drop this into warm water and let it dissolve. And this smells so good. You guys, I wish I still had like the official printout so I could tell you guys like the notes of each item, what they were. It does have like a floral fall scent. That's the best way I can put it. It's almost like a dried flower scent to me, but I love stuff like that. I mean, especially when it's like creepy season. Okay, so the ghost, he's called Banana Ghost, and he's a shower bomb. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a product that I just like recently started trying from Lush, or it seems like there was like 1 or 2 items that they had before. They were not called shower bombs before. I think that they had items called shower soothers that we would use like occasionally for like, you know, sinuses and everything. But over the summer, I got another product that was a shower bomb, which I think is such a fun alternative because I know a lot of people like don't like to sit in a bathtub. So I feel like this is like such a fun way where people can like use Lush products like in the shower as well. So you just add water to this in the shower and it lathers up like a soap, and then you can just use it in the shower. But yeah, it does have like a very soothing like banana milk kind of scent to it. It's like bananas but like creamy, and it actually has like more of a subtle banana scent, because maybe some of y'all are thinking, because I know banana is like one of those like scents and flavors where sometimes it smells like almost super like a candy or something, like it's a really overpowering scent, but this is just like a nice subtle creamy banana scent. All right, this is a bubble bar. I think that's what I was thinking that it was gonna be. So this is called Mean Green Mother from Outer Space. Yeah, this far and away is my favorite scent out of all of the items in the box today. I love to just use little bits of the bubble bar at a time. I feel like you can actually get like 4 or 5 baths out of these items depending on how much like bubbles that you like in your bath. But yeah, smells amazing. It's one of those like kind of candy scents to me, but once again, like not super overpowering. Like it's like a fresh candy, if that makes any sense whatsoever. All right, and the body lotion in Potion. I'm trying to remember, one of these products was like, oh, I think that this is it. I think they said it came out like 17 years ago or something originally, and I think it was Potion. So this is supposed to be enchanting rose and nourishing almond oil, and I can't like swatch a lotion or anything for you guys, but yeah, I remember like loving the scent of this. Oh my gosh, so much. Actually, I can swatch a lotion. Look at it, you guys. It's a creamy lotion, and I always need lotion on my hands, you guys. My hands are forever crispy. And last but not least is, now this I can't swatch. So this is supposed to be a floral blend of white lilies, jasmine, and rose. So yeah, this is something though, I remember I did squeeze a little bit out in the live stream, and it kind of almost has like a pearlescent look to the product. Like it's just a little bit shimmery, which I thought was super pretty. So this video is not sponsored, but I'm gonna put the link for you guys in the info box down below so that y'all can sign up for Lush Kitchen for yourselves. I'm not sure if you sign up now, if you would still be able to get November's box. I'm kind of thinking probably not, because if memory serves me correct, I think we actually did the voting for the November box in September. So now that we're like halfway through with October, you'd probably be jumping in to December's box, which I'm imagining would be like a super fun, like probably like a Christmas themed experience. So yeah, I am super, super excited to see where the Lush kitchen box takes us. And yeah, I mean, 2 huge thumbs up from me for this first box. I think that the actual like bonus items are like super usable, which is, I feel like that's kind of like a big deal because I feel like subscription boxes in the past, like a lot of times, they do give bonus items, but they're like not very high quality. And I thought that these definitely are. And I love the scent of each product. And I love, of course, like, of course, this is the one I'm probably going to be like most excited for because I just love the labels and everything. They're so cute. You guys, I'm still looking for Hex. There was like a QR code on the card, so maybe there's more information there. Y'all have to let me know, did y'all get this box? And if so, did you find Hex? And where am I missing him? Maybe he's in the box or on the box somewhere? You guys, let me know in the comments down below if you know where Hex is and if I'm missing him somewhere. And all of you guys' thoughts and opinions about this box, of course. I hope y'all are gonna be as excited for the unboxings as I am. But yeah, it feels good to do a subscription box for the first time in forever. But anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp family, and give an alligator its wings. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!